Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, Seven of Swords and the Temperance. Capricorn, it seems like you want to move out from somewhere or some location, some relationship, some energy, some kind of a thing, place or energy, okay? And you seems like very happy. The thought of this, the thought of from moving out from this place or from this energy is enough to make you happy. Okay, perhaps you are dealing with or going through some kind of a bad abusive relationship. Perhaps you guys are going through some kind of a negative emotions or negative uh, energies in your life. It could be because of some person, it could be because of your place, it could be because of your job, it could be because of your colleague. Something is there. So whatever the case it is, it seems like you just want to move out from this place, from this energy, from the situation as fast as you can. On the other hand, Capricorn, this is your partner's current energy, the Temperance. Seems like your person has been through some tough time, okay? And right now they are just focusing on their balance, they are focusing on the balancing their heart and mind. They are bringing balance in their life, they are bringing balance in their emotions, their thoughts, the way they speak, the way they think, the way they talk. So they are doing some kind of a healing practices for themselves, and perhaps they are trying to bring balance in their life. Okay, Capricorn, it could also happen for some of you that you want to escape from your current location to meet your person, because see, you are looking so happy. You are looking so happy, and you have just grabbed or you have just taken all your good things, be it your karmas or your belongings with you, and you just want to move out because you want to meet your person, because somewhere somehow you feel that your person is going through some tough time and they need you, and this could be the reason that you want to move out from your place, you want to move out from your current location. All right, okay, now let's see what is the mutual current energy between Capricorn and their person. Okay, comparison. Some of you, either one of you is comparing his or her status, his or her capabilities, his or her life from the other person. Whoever is doing it, whoever, I think it's your person who is trying to compare themselves with the other person and with other people. Perhaps they must be going through some kind of a feeling that I'm not good enough, or I'm not capable enough to keep my Capricorn happy, or I'm someone who who cannot take the responsibility of somebody else or something like that. So it seems like your person is comparing themselves with the other person. But now, since I told you that they are into some kind of a healing practices, or perhaps they are trying to bring balance into their heart and mind, this is just because of you, because you are trying to escape from your current location and you just want to move, you just want to be with this person. Okay, this is the reason they have started bringing balance into their life. But the basic thought which is going on in their mind is that comparison. They are comparing themselves with other person, with other people, with other situation. All right, now let's see, Capricorn, what your person thinks about you. Oh God. What your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. So we have first card. All right. Okay, so we have Ripness with us. So Capricorn, your person sees you as somebody who is a very, very mature person. And see, I told you that you want to move out somewhere. Perhaps you want to move out to meet your person. You want to move out from your home to meet your person. Okay, perhaps they must be living in some other region, some other continent, some other place. All right. So it seems like you have cut your connections with your current people, with your current location, with your current situations, and you just want to explore the life. Okay, that's how your person is seeing you. The current action which your person is taking towards you is creativity. That means even though your person is going through some kind of healing practices and they are trying to bring balance into their life and into their heart and mind, it seems like your person is trying to uh, explore the new ways to reach out to you. Okay, they are making their efforts to connect with you. They are making their efforts to talk to you. Okay, so they are being very, very creative as of now. Okay, the fool, the actions which they can take towards you is fool. And that card tells me that in future I feel that your person is going to take a leap of faith. All right, perhaps they would say it's okay, it's enough of balancing thing, it's enough of seeing bad phases, it's enough of everything. Now I just want to take a leap of faith with my person, with my Capricorn. Let me just see how much this person loves me, how much this person respects me, how much this person's you know how this person can protect me. Okay, so in future they are going to take a leap of faith, and they are definitely going to take some action towards you, Capricorn. All right. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading, and we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, another earth sign in this reading. All right. So Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.